this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the meter cable. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wires connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connectors away from the front display board. The first being the white drive motor connector, followed by the red power connector, followed by the white micro switch connector, and then finally the white meter cable connection. And then set the display cover aside. Using pliers, pinch and push the strain relief that is holding the gray meter cable through the hole in the housing. Then open the strain relief, remove it from the meter cable, and set it aside. Then detach the meter cable tip by pushing up from underneath the valve body and lift and slide the meter cable tip up and out of its place. Then either push or pull one of the ends of the meter cable through the hole and set the meter cable aside. Now push the replacement meter cable tip through the hole and slide it back into its port and click it into place. Then wrap the strain relief around the replacement meter cable and push and twist the strain relief until it pops into position. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.